You can also send emails directly inside of your chatbot flows. To do so, just right-click the mouse button, go towards Send Email. From here, you can give your email block a name. From here, you will be able to select any of your email profiles that you previously set up. Once selected, you can go to Send to Email. You can send an email to any email that you like to, or if you want to send it towards the subscriber and you save the email to the email system field, you are able to select that one as well. You can give your email subject a title, a pre-header, or you can select any of the templates that you previously created. So if you previously created an email template, you can use it directly inside of this email module. If you did not, you can also create an email on the spot by just going with the email subject. You can include a pre-header, although once including a pre-header, it might end up inside of the spam folder. So be cautious and test many times for that. And then for the email message itself, you will be able to select any kind of headline, a text, an image, a button, and you can even include attachment inside of your email. You will also be able to select an action when email is first time opened or opened each time. You'll also be able to continue towards the next step. If we take a look and zoom in on the email module, you will see those options inside of the bottom of the email module itself. So you'll be able to have the when email first time opened. And if you want to change that, just scroll down and select the each time opened, and you will see it changing. And from here, you will be able to set up all kinds of actions as well. You can send a notification towards yourself. You can tag a user that the email has been opened. And from here, you will also be able to continue towards a next step. A great feature also is if you want to get a user back inside of your chatbot, you'll be able to include any kind of button that you like to. And once that button is pressed, you can just send a regular message. And this button will open up the chatbot with the channel that you chose to open.